there. So this is now this place called Shantivan in Kundapura, and you can rent the whole place. So it's a lovely traditional house, as you can see here in front of me, and the orchards here next to it with all sorts of fruit. I have made a different video on it, and I'll put it in the description box, the link to the video. But here you can go, and so here as well you have a nice big veranda where you can sit and have your breakfast. Like there is the breakfast area, and you can sit all around the place here, and you have a nice wooden swing here. And although it's pretty hot, it's nice and breezy. Here you have a desk, so you could actually work on your laptop. And if we go inside, you have another swing, a little place with a tulsi plant. A lot of sitting arrangement, and there's one room which is called Krishna Yitai, so that's a double room with a loft on the top, so there is room for people on the top as well to sleep, and the bathroom in there, and then a temple and a kitchen that can be used, and you have people here to cook for you, and sitting place, and a little library. There's one more room here, and this was my room. So let me just show you my room. That's where I was. That was my bed, the cupboard, my writing table where I had my interview, and nice paintings, and a little place here to keep your wardrobe and to change your clothes. And here the bathroom, and the highlight is, now that I'm opening the bathroom, you have a nice outdoor shower as well. So let me go far away so that you can see the outdoor shower. So if you go here closer, it's open on the top, so you can have a nice rain shower here. So, a mirror, that's it. So, for Watch 15 Live, tune into my channel.